sa mga barubas dyan. Ano naman ulit. So ngayong araw meron tayong i-unbox tayo ng toy gun galing sa Fatboy toy gun. Ano siya, AR version 2. Ayun, unbox natin kasi na natin quality ng toy gun. Testing natin ito. Samahan nyo ako. So ayun na, unbox natin ito. Toy gun na i-order natin kaya tayo. The gun.
Is it not mine?
No, it's not yours.
Is it not mine?
Why you like that?
But I want to toy one, I said.
Oh, he said. You said.
But I need a toy. I need a toy gun, I said.
Oh, he said. This is our toy.
Is it bigger?
I'm making video. Look, oh.
Tata, you scared me.
Yeah. Are you scared?
Yeah. Are you like scared?
Say hi to them. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Barubas TV.
Mama. Here, Mama. I joined for this one. That's an occasion for this one.
What's that?
I joined this one.
What is inside?
It's a present.
Present.
See? Look, there's present. You see, that's a present. Here.
Who's the uncle?
Because there's Auntie.
Wow, wow, we wow.
Ate yan.
1, 2, 3 for fried crab. For Auntie. What's for Auntie?
No, there's so many crabs.
Pero,
I'm scared.
who's that?
Dami pala, ma'am.
I just said scared.
Ito.
It's a bird for the bunny. Is it real?
It's only a
I
toy.
want to pop it. And I want to pop.
You want to pop it?
Yeah, I want to pop that.
Hindi lang makita.
Wow, I want to pop it.
Ito yung unit. Ang ganda.
No, I want to.
Kasi ito yung stove. kakabin natin yung
Kasi
scoop.
it's the same.
Yes, it's the same. Wait lang din. Kakabin natin yung scoop tapos pakita ko kayo. Pakita ko. Ganda? Bad boy. Ganda. So yung kanina nakita natin yung unit. Tapos ngayon naman, i-unbox natin itong scope niya. It's the syringe para sa butane. Ganda.
That is it. Does it real? Does it wait to see you burst, right?
Yes. Why?
Because here is a camera. Hey, it's like a camera. Hey,
Yes ka naman. Doing video.
we're doing videos.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to get to see me, huh? You have to get to see me, okay?
Stay here lang.
You have to get to see me. Oh no! Tati, can I try that?
No, I have to put ano
Oh,
muna.
what?
I have to put battery.
Okay. The small battery only?
Yeah.
Oh, there's the battery. Can I try to put here? Just put it here. Just carefully.
You sing na. Go.
What?
You sing the song.
I think I could try to lose
Kapit ah. Kapit natin ang scope sa ating unit.
I think I can make my mistake. Can you try to do that?
Wait lang. Put it first. I have to fix it. Baliktad na.
Baliktad na?
No, it's not. Ah, no, it's not. It's okay. It's good.
Okay, go turn the electric fan, okay?
What?
Go turn the electric fan.
Not gonna hurt the electric ba? Ayan. Wala siya na ganda.
Okay. So cool.
Yeah. So cool. You're right.
Is it a toy?
Yeah, it's a toy.
I think I wanna try it.
Why?
Okay. I wanna,
This is for boy only.
yeah. But this is so big.
If you're a girl.
But I need my toy gun.
What? You need a toy gun. Have to talk to your nanay. Ito yung unit natin. Ang ganda niya. Nice. Kung pwede mamaya i-try natin sa labas. So, ayan, mabukas siguro. Kasi medyo umaambon sa labas. Para makita natin yung ano, yung accuracy ng kakatiran. Excited na.
That's it, you?
Ay, thank you, thank you. So yun, dumating na din yung ano, sakto. Halos sabay silang dumating yung bala natin. Steel ball. Open na din natin. May 3 pa. So, ang size ito is 5.95. 300 pieces. Bale, ano siya, 600 pieces pala. 300. Tignan natin kung gaano yung laki niya. Man, namamatay yung ilaw. Ano ka lang, steady ka lang. Ang makulit. Ayan. Saan ba? Ito. Bulitas. Meron ba dyan gumagamit ng bulitas? Kagaya ng ginagamit ko sa baril. Ay, ito pala. Ito siya late. Saan ba yung camera? Ayun. Ano ito? Size niya ulit is 5.95 mm. Ayan. Pero sunod araw natin i-try pagka medyo maganda yung panahon. Target shooting tayo dun sa ating likod bahay. Alright. So yan. Update ko kayo pagka nakapag ano na tayo, nakapag-set na tayo dun. Enjoy lang. Inulit ko ano lang to ha, toy gun lang to, baka isipin ng iba ano to, hindi. Toy gun, pero ano siya, mas powerful siya sa airsoft. Kasi meron akong airsoft, hindi siya ganun kalakas. Ito sobrang lakas. Ayaw kong i-try dito sa bahay. So sa labas lang. Kasi may bata ako. Nandito yung anak kong maliit. For safety reason na din. Tutesting natin to pag ano na tayo sa labas. Pang outdoor siya. Ang galing. Thank you talaga kay Fatboy. Hindi ko talaga alam yung tunay na pangalan niya. Kung ano, hindi ko natatanong. Pero try ko siyang i-message mamaya. Para ma-shout out na din siya dito sa munting channel natin. Para mapasalamatan. Ang ganda na paggagawa. Locally made. Support local tayo. Solid. Wow. Ayan, yun muna sa ngayon. Update ko kayo bukas siguro. Okay na tayong mga pag-firing sa labas. Gaano siya talaga ka-accurate yung yung ano niya, telescope niya, saka yung gun mismo, yung pinakabaril niya. Sana update na lang tayo sa susunod na araw, bukas siguro. Bukan natin pag walang ulan, sana maganda pa lang bukas.